Hi guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is day 6 and right now I have been taking a bit of a break from finally being consistent and productive on this final exam paper. I know you guys, I should have already had it done by now. It would be something less things I have to worry about right now. I could have been just enjoying my weekend, enjoying the day, but it is what it is. Fed Kaya again and she was up chilling watching QVC with me for a little bit. Now she's gone back to sleep for another nap, so I'm going to be getting back to it at this point. Not really doing much today. Hubby is out hanging out with one of his guy friends right now, and then we don't have anything planned today. We'll probably watch some movies later on today. Like I know last night I wanted to try and watch The Grinch or whatever and just chill, relax, but it kind of got a little busy yesterday throughout the day, and then we both fell asleep on the couch with Kaya, so it was just not, it was going to be a fail trying to watch a movie. I know I mentioned I want to film some holiday makeup looks. I will still be filming those. I just haven't figured out all the looks yet that I have in mind, and then I guess deciding, okay, this is the day I will film each one. We are going to be watching a Christmas program later that our church we go to here does every year. Now last year we actually went to the program, even though I had just had my surgery and started having my complications. I still wanted to go and enjoy the program, and I'm glad I did. Even though I didn't feel the best, I still enjoyed going and just enjoying the Christmas music, and it was a really, really wonderful performance that they did last year. Also, I've kind of been forgetting to say it, but please make sure you guys are giving the videos a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel, and make sure that you are subscribing, because that also helps me to grow on this platform and continue to create amazing and hopefully great content that you guys will enjoy. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. Today is day 7, so day 6 and 7 will be one video because I really just didn't have a lot of stuff to film and show you guys yesterday. It was a very chill day. I've been up finishing this darn paper, and I still have to do the other one for my other class that's due as well, so I'm gonna work on that one today and get that done. I just finished getting Kaya fed and diaper changed, and she's all dressed because we have to take her to an appointment today. Are you ready? You ready for today? Yeah. Yes, you look so cute. Look at you. Make sure that we're on time, and I'm gonna just pack a couple extra things I know that need to be added to her diaper bag. I learned the hard way for us to pack an extra outfit in her bag. We had not done that before really, or we would forget, and then those were the days where she'd have a huge poopy explosion and I had no extra outfits and it was just a mess. This is the diaper bag that we have, and I absolutely love it. It's a backpack. And it's olive green colored, and then this is the pacifier pouch attached to it. We got that from Bye Bye Baby, and this huge zipper part right here is actually a built-in cooler, which is really nice because of course when you're packing your bottles and packing your milk in here, it can go all in here, and it can hold there's 3 pouches, so you can put 3 bottles. You can put more than 3 if you want. You could double it up and they'll be close together so they're not going to fall or spill. So you can put 6 good sized bottles in here if you wanted. If you're going somewhere and you need that many, if you're going to be gone a while, but it's COVID, so we're really not going anywhere. But my Haka is in there as well in case I need to pump on the go. I personally still don't really like the Haka, or maybe I'm not using it right on my boob, so maybe I just need to watch a YouTube video on how to properly use it, because I find it uncomfortable to use as opposed to my actual breast pump that I use at home. A lot of storage, a lot of zippers, a lot of compartments, and then this is her portable changing pad. We bring this everywhere. I mean, you should, because I'm not going to put her on no counter or bathroom sink, none of that to change a diaper, so I always bring that. There's the extra wipes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get everything else in here that we need. Right now we use the Pamper Pure diapers, if anybody cares. But this is only until she reaches the appropriate weight limit so that we can start using her cloth diapers. Yes, I want to do cloth diapers because I'm all about sustainability these days, it seems. So yeah, once she's big enough, because right now, last time we checked at her 2-month appointment, she was right at 7.5 pounds exactly. So once she's a good like 8 pounds, a little bit over 8 pounds, then we can actually start to use the cloth diapers. They have to be at least 8 pounds. I like the Pampers Pure because they're all natural diapers, and I'm like really into more all natural things and stuff for our bodies, because regular diapers and all that, they have so many chemicals they put in them to preserve them. Okay guys, I'm back. Kaya has sped up a little bit the last time I was filming, and I like dropped the camera to run to her, so gotten ready now. Brows look good. You guys, I feel like I haven't done brows or anything makeup related in so long. I really do miss it, and that's why I do want to try to get back to it on my channel. I touched up my hair just around the frame, like the front of my face where it frames it, just so it doesn't look all like I just got out of bed type of thing. 60 degrees outside, so I thought it'd be the perfect day to wear one of my sweaters. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wear an olive green sweater. I got this actually last season for this time of year, and it's from Old Navy, so I'm gonna put this on. I'll be right back. Quickly do a little outfit of the day with y'all so you can see. But I'm just wearing my olive gray sweater from Old Navy, like I said. My jeans are from Kohl's, and I finally got some that fit these thighs and hips. I'm just kidding, you guys. I must say thank God for pregnancy, because it really did make my hips get wider, and I've never really had hips, so actually makes me feel a little more decent about myself. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing my most comfortable ever pair of Toms. I only have 2 pair of Toms, but like these are so comfortable. They have the memory foam padding in them, and I did not know that Toms came out with these. These are my little rose gold earrings that I really like. I'm not in focus. Oh, there we go. Yeah, these earrings are from the paparazzi line that my mom is a director of, and she sells the pieces. So if you guys want any information, I will put like all the information and website in the description box. So guys, we're finally back home. I don't know what's going on with my eyes. I guess I'm just tired. But we were gone longer than I anticipated. I mean, we didn't leave the appointment until like 4:30. The doctor ended up getting called into the actual hospital part of the hospital, if that makes sense, because he does work through the hospital, but like he's got also a separate office building away from the hospital, so he had to stop what he was doing, go to the hospital, and then come back to us, and he was kind of going back and forth, so it was just kind of a process. And then we had to like run a couple of errands on the way home, and then we got food. You guys saw I just had some Wendy's. We had Wendy's tonight. It was not a day to cook, and just didn't feel like it, and we weren't home, and yeah. And it's chilly outside, so I am going to make some hot chocolate for tonight. I am going to be starting a new job in January, so that's a blessing right there. It's been stressful trying to find another job that's going to work and still give me some flexibility to be at home and be a mom. So That job will start in January, which is next month. And then I start training this month, but of course everything is online because of COVID, thankfully, so I don't have to like go out and go anywhere or go in office. And my goal is to also start working on real estate. Surprisingly, yes, I do want to pursue getting into real estate, and I think it'll be something, a great additional income, but also like a great other career that provides a lot of flexibility in the position, in the role, which I pretty much need. And I mean, I know it's not expected to make a ton of money right away, but pursuing that type of career field, but ideally I think it'll be a great way to save up money to put the funding towards launching and developing my business venture ideas that I really want to pursue in the field of fashion and cosmetics. You never know, you might see my name out there one day when you go to your Target or you go to your Ulta, or maybe even your next Sephora in the next few years from now. So claiming it, you know, just wait on it, but it's coming. That is going to be the end of today's Vlogmas number 7. I hope you guys enjoyed the content that was filmed between yesterday and today's portion of the vlog. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel and giving the videos a thumbs up. Also make sure you're clicking the bell when you're subscribing, because that also notifies you every time I upload a new video to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next day of Vlogmas. Bye.